Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. Dashboard warning lights have one simple task: to inform and warn about the invisible things happening on your car, the things that you can't normally see and notice. This video will not explain each and every dashboard light in detail, it will rather explain how to react to each sort of warning light. Knowing this may well save your engine and other systems from huge damage, so it's worth knowing. Stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. The most important part of this video you should know is this. The warning lights are divided into categories by color. Red color means danger, yellow or orange means caution, and green and blue are meant just to inform you. It's like this in the majority of cars. Also, the dashboard warning lights may stay lit up or may blink. This applies especially to the yellow-orange colored warning lights, which usually start blinking if the problem gets worse. The red colored warning lights are for the crucial parameters of the car's engine and other systems on the car, like the oil pressure, alternator voltage, the handbrake, the brake fluid level, coolant temperature, and others. If any of these red lights turn on while driving, in most cases you have a big problem, and you must stop the car as soon as possible to avoid huge engine damage and danger. The red warning lights for low oil pressure and high coolant temperature are the most important. If you disregard these and continue driving, the engine is done for. Next, we have the yellow or orange dashboard warning lights, which are for informing or warning you about a present or impending problem. This is the most numerous group of dashboard warning lights. The most well-known one of this group is the check engine light. We've made a specific video about this topic. You can click on the card in the corner or on the link in the video description to see it. Besides this, you have the ABS light, the light for worn-out brake pads, the service light, the warning light that the stability control system is turned off, the light for problems with electric and electronics, and the list goes on. In the majority of cases, with yellow warning lights, you can continue driving if you don't notice any kind of obvious problem, like for instance strange noises, bad engine performance, or other serious problems that can endanger driving. But although you can continue driving, you must not disregard this warning and you must inspect the problem as soon as possible. Green and blue lights have the purpose of informing the driver. For instance, the green color is for indicators, low beams for various different driving modes, the blue is for high beams, and the list goes on. Again, these colors of dashboard warning lights have only informative character, so you know that the specific system is turned on. So, the most important thing to remember is the color of the dashboard warning lights. Knowing this will enable you to react properly, on time, and perhaps save your car from bigger trouble. Once more, red means you should stop the car, yellow or orange means caution and that you have some sort of problem, especially if the light is blinking, and green and blue inform that something is turned on. If you have the time, it's good to learn what each and every dashboard warning light mean. It may come in handy. That's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.